Just give me under a minute and I'll delete your fear of rejection. Pay attention. Rejection is not failure. It is proof you had the courage to try. It's not the opposite of success. It is the price you pay to become a better version of yourself. You don't get chosen without first getting overlooked. Every no brings you one step closer to a yes. First you get rejected, then you readjust, and you rise. That's not rejection. That's redirection towards something better. You need to get this. Fear stands for false evidence appearing real. Stop being afraid of something that's not happened yet. If rejection scares you, staying stuck should terrify you. You've never gotten better when things were easy, because comfort never changed anyway. But the courage to show up, that's where transformation begins.